That's all going to go down. Can we go? I don't like it.
The E-Series by Imperial Thermal Engineering has been specifically designed and developed to remove LPG from construction sites and so reduce the ever-present risk of fire. So far, two key pieces of equipment have been prototyped and trialled, the E-Pot and the E-Torch, both powered using site-standard three-phase electricity. The E-Series of equipment has many tangible benefits. It's inexpensive to run, costing around 25% of a gas equivalent. It's fueled by clean electricity, eliminating output of noxious gases. The environmental impact is negligible due to zero carbon footprint at point of use. With no elevated risk protocols, the E-Series can work longer hours with reduced manpower. No task-specific specialised equipment is required, such as gas cages. Site logistics improve with the removal of gas cylinders. This will dramatically reduce the movement of gas around cities and towns and the very real terrorist threat associated with these. And above all, the risk of fire is dramatically reduced. The E-Pot is an all-electric hot melt compound boiler which is simple to use. E-Pots are controlled by a PLC. There is 45 kilowatts of heating capacity using 24 kilowatts of available energy. Operating temperatures are preset to manufacturer's instructions, thereby maintaining compound quality. A non-stick surface developed for the aerospace industry reduces adhesion of compound to the internal sides of the vessel. Innovatively, the compound melts over heated tubes before pouring into the internal chamber. With rapid heat-up times and overnight hibernation, work can start quickly the following day and no firewatch window is required. Using reduced manpower and with higher output than its rivals, productivity can be increased. It is highly manoeuvrable with certified self-contained lifting points. Cool side technology and lack of naked flame reduce the burn risk almost to zero. The E-Torch Universal is a powerful electric torch designed to perform like a traditional gas torch. It can switch simply from a drying to detail mode. It delivers superheated dry air at speed and volume and at temperatures up to 650 degrees C. It's controlled by a PLC. It uses technology from the aerospace, petrochemical, Formula One and industrial process industries. The E-Torch delivers unrivaled performance when compared with any handheld hot air gun currently available. The E-Torch is the first of its kind in the world and the first to market. It can quickly dry any substrate from old felt to new bare concrete. It can activate self-adhesive membranes and fuse seams in bitumen sheet much faster than a conventional hot air gun. Controlled, focused airstream at temperature prevents damage to mineral surface felts. It has been successfully tested using volatiles such as petrol to replicate solvent trapped behind cladding panels. Temperature selection ranges from 350 degrees to 650 degrees C with a variable speed function. It is simple and safe to use, completely mobile and versatile. The E-Torch will deliver increased productivity as less manpower is required. The burn risk to operatives is drastically reduced, but significantly there is now zero risk of fire during its working processes.
Johnny, tap the temperature up one more.
The risk of fire will never diminish in an environment which continues to use equipment which is not only outdated technology but also completely incompatible with the current pressure on business for higher performance, greater versatility and improved health, safety and environmental standards. LPG is a potentially lethal weapon in the hands of an operative who shows no regard for safe working practices. It's now time to change.